This video will introduce you to sustainability and sustainable development. Hello everyone, and welcome to Sustainability Success. Let me tell you about a fantastic free tip that is helping people globally to stay updated with instructive videos like this one. It's the subscribe button. It's free and full of helpful videos like this one. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So, firstly, we need to know what sustainability is. Unluckily, there is no commonly accepted definition of what it means to be sustainable. There are numerous different viewpoints on the concept and how it might be attained. When something can be sustained, it can be described as bearable and capable of being continued at a particular level. Sustainable is an expression used to describe something that can be sustained. Let me explain with an example. In recent years, the term sustainability has been used to describe improvements in areas such as overexploitation of natural resources, manufacturing operations, linear consumption of products, the direction of capital investments, citizen lifestyles and purchasing habits, technology development, and business and general institutional changes. When it comes to sustainability, it's impossible to overlook the most crucial concept: sustainable development. Specific to sustainable development is the act of organizing society such that it can continue for future generations. Consider both current and future imperatives, such as preserving natural resources or ensuring social and economic equality, while making decisions. It is crucial to understand the underlying principles of sustainability at this point. Sustainability is composed of three pillars: economy, society, and environment. Informally, these concepts are referred to as profit, people, and the planet. The economic pillar of sustainability is where the majority of businesses feel secure. A business must be lucrative to be sustained. The social pillar is inextricably linked to another imprecise concept: social license. The sustainable business must have the backing and endorsement of its employees, stakeholders, and the community in which it operates. The environmental pillar frequently receives the most emphasis. Businesses are concentrating on decreasing their carbon footprint, packaging waste, water consumption, and overall environmental impact. Sustainable development happens when all of the three principles are achieved. This concludes today's video. So if you'd like to join our community and learn more about sustainability, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, let us know if you found the video helpful in the comments area.